I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I have many new dresses available here at the warehouse. I have evening dresses, daytime dresses, social dresses, corporate dresses, work dresses. I have dresses by Nightway, R&M Richards, Morgan & Company, Lauren by Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, Nine West, many different brands. This is a selection of some of the dresses that I have. I have more dresses in boxes as well, and I'm always opening up new boxes and receiving more dresses. The sizes of the dresses range from size 4 to 24. You can place an order by WhatsApp. You can place an order through the website. You can visit the warehouse, or you could send someone on your behalf. I have dresses that are overstock from American department stores. I have dresses that are overstock from the brands. This dress, for instance, is a Drana Papel dress with an original retail price of $219. This is an RM dress with an original estimated retail value of about $180. This is a Morgan & Company dress, size 7/8, made in USA. I have short dresses as well. I have long sleeve dresses, short sleeve dresses, sleeveless dresses. I have Mother the Bride dresses as well. The selling dress is by Nightway. It is size 14W, color navy nude. As always, you could come here and make your own selection. I also have plus size dresses I want to show you, for example. This dress over here, size 24W. It is a chiffon-like material at the bottom half of the dress. It is a sleeveless dress. Here is a short blue dress. This is a nice dress for an evening out. It's by Morgan & Company. And it is a plus size dress, color navy, size 24W. This two-piece dress is a dress with a jacket by R&M Richards. Color champagne, size 14. I hope you enjoyed watching this presentation and looking forward to doing business with you. Thank you and have an amazing day.